Current Affair March 2025, Part B. Where have health authorities in Pakistan confirmed a new case of wild polio in May 2025? Recently, the correct answer Basha. The Amir Basha recently a new polio case was confirmed by Pakistan health authorities. Who is defendant in Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif or a 10 billion defamation suit? An allegation was dropped Imran Khan PTI founder by Shehbaz Sharif. 10 billion corruption defamation suit. What happened to Zahir Jafar death penalty for rape? Commuted to life imprisonment. उम्र कैद में तब्दील कर दी गई. What issue did Justice Cocker criticize regarding universities? Who gave the remarks on universities? Unchecked spread of drugs are very common in universities of Pakistan, and Chief Justice Cocker criticized on the universities on this issue. What was the new rank conferred upon the course for his role in Marka-e-Haq? The correct answer is a new Field Marshal title was given to Chief of Army Staff Pakistan. What is significant about Air Chief Marshal Sindhu's appointment? Basically, recently the first Air Chief Marshal given second extension. When did Pakistan accuse the Indian of violating at the UN meeting? Recent was accused on Indian due to violation of Indus Water Treaty. He is violating the UN meeting agenda. What did Pakistan Finance Minister announce without completion required approval? Recently, an announcement was given that megawatt or 2 gigawatt electricity for Bitcoin and AI data center. Why did PM Shahbaz express gratitude to Turkey during his meeting with Erdogan? The correct answer is Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif go to Ankara for support or gratitude on the basis of Turkey because he favored the Pakistan-Indian tension, the Pakistan with arms and their helping hand. Thank you.